Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs. Welcome back to this channel. We have an electric treadmill. No model indicated. It's turning on, the motor runs at a high speed, and an error code 6 appears. I will show you how to fix it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you came to the right channel. So be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. There is debris inside the treadmill's electronics controller driver. It seems that a rat is to blame for this mess. Let's clean up the debris. As you can see, most of it is a debris of candy wrappers that rats love to bring to their cribs, and use to build their nest. Let's unscrew the driver assembly and see what we can do. A corrosion buildup on the components. This may be the cause of the error and the high speed of the motor. Let's undo the screws and separate the main PCB from the aluminum heatsink. The glue for the PCB board stays in place. Let's remove it, so we can remove the PCB board. It appears that we need to remove all the glue. Now the PCB board is finally separated from the aluminum heatsink. Checking if the main capacitor is still charged. The capacitor is not charged. Let's clean and remove some of the corrosion on the PCB board with WD-40. Some say WD-40 is not good to use on electronics, but I've been using it for a long time now, and I don't have any issues with it. Use a brush to take away some of the corrosion and moisture while the WD-40 is still applied to the PCB board. Wipe out the excess WD-40. Some of the corrosion and dirt have been removed. Let's reconnect the motor and the other wires and see what the result is. The motor is running past, and the error still appears. The cleaning does not solve the problem. This transistor may be the motor driver controller. The test result from the analog multimeter seems shorted. The diode looks fine. Let's try the digital multimeter. It's really shorted. The analog multimeter is not lying. This diode is good. Let's remove the transistor. Adding soldering lead improves flow and simplifies transistor removal. It is still hot. Now the transistor is out of the circuit. Let's test it again. It's confirmed it is shorted. According to Google, the ID40G65 refers to an Infineon Technologies IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor. This device has a maximum collector current of 40 amps, a collector emitter voltage of 650 volts, and is designed for high-frequency switching applications. I have YGW40N65F1. It is similar in maximum current and voltage to the ID40G65. YGW40N65F1 is used for a sine wave 3 kW inverter. This will work. The motor runs fast because the IGBT transistor is shorted. The voltage is directly feed into the motor, so it's so fast, and the error appears. Let's remove the X's soldering lead and solder the YGW40N65F1 in place. The soldering is good enough for me. Let's cut the IGBT X's leads. Let's reconnect all wires and try if it will work. The error is gone, and the motor stops running past. Seems the remote needs to operate it. The customer doesn't bring the remote control. We can't test it right now. Let's assemble it while waiting for the customer. Only 27.5% watching this channel are subscribed. Could you please click the subscribe button to support me and this channel? To these people who join as a members, there are only a few, but it's my pleasure to have them. Thank you so much for joining as a member. I'm not sure if the rat mess is responsible for the IGBT to get shorted. Maybe the IGBT has been damaged first, and the treadmill is not being used for a long time, and the rat is using it as their hiding place and creates a mess.
3 days later.
The customer at last brought the remote. Now let's test it. Seems it's working. If the plus button is pressed, the motor gets faster. It is really working now. Place back the driver cover and try to step on it and walk. Walk only, I have arthritis. The treadmill is now working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy and learned something from this video. You can help this channel by liking and subscribing. Don't forget to ring the notification bell to keep you up to date. Once again, this is Tefs. See you again next time. Bye for now.